In this video I will explain to you how to remove and change the screen of this Dell XPS PC. So I have received this very nice package which contains a well-packed double envelope with the second one, and inside is the precious screen, which is very well protected by anti-static bag. And here it is. So right now I will push it on the side and we will first remove the battery of the laptop, which is very easily done like this. Right, like this. Now you can return the PC, open the screen, and we will start with this tool, which is basically a kind of plastic, very thin tool, which is given when you want to change the screen of a smartphone. So here you insert the tool, which is not completely easy, and this one. You have clicks, taps, and you do it everywhere around the screen. So start on this side, then do this one, it's not completely easy but it's doable. After do the top up, to the top side. Okay, here, one more, and your screen is almost visible. Pull here, here again, and gently remove the system here. It's not completely easy. Be careful. Okay, here is the system, which is completely open. The tabs were here. The top one here, there, and again. So the most difficult thing is done. The second part of this tutorial is to remove the screen itself. So you have screws, one here, three small ones here, and three again on the left side. So choose the best screwdriver you have. This one is a bit thin. I'll try this one. It seems to be perfect. So it's a standard Phillips screwdriver. You first remove the screws. Don't worry too much, they are all the same. So remove them. Right. Here it is. The second one. The third one. On the left side. Four. 5. 6. So now we just arrive at the top screws. bend just a little as on the vertical the screen. Remove the last one. So you push on this screen on this corner in order to avoid that the screen flips on the keyboard. You remove the last one. Not yet finished. Here it is. But now a tricky part. Just do like this. Pull a little on the tabs here, and you will see here. Yeah, it's already gone. So here is the connector to the webcam. So it has already gone. It will go in this connector. Okay. So gently bend the screen on the keyboard, and you will have this connector here. So, little light. So here is a connector of the screen. Here the connector to the webcam. Beware not to pull on this connector in order to avoid to scrap it and to cut the wires which are very thin. Here you have a little rubber band which is gluing and connecting the main connector to the screen, which is very thin also. So be very careful, because we will now remove this ribbon which is glued. So here is a glue. You pull it like this. Up. You pull the glue here. Pull on it. It will come. Here it is. Gently, very gently. Pull on the rubber band. Here it is. Now the tricky part is there. Place this blue tool under the rubber band and gently pull. Okay, here it is. And you access to the connector. Don't go further right now. You have to push the connector on this side and on this side, and it will go back. I do it. I push on one side, I push on the other side. Here it comes. Okay, the connector is there. Now you have to pull again on the rubber band. Here it is, and you flip. You flip this ribbon. So the most difficult thing is done, because your screen is now completely free and you can remove it. We'll make a zoom on the connector. So here it is. It's a very thin one, and all this electronics is written don't touch. Don't remove the plastic there, because you will have access to the video electronics, which is very fragile. So before ordering your new screen, you should have a look to this reference, which is the exact model of your screen. So here is B156XYXW02, and I have ordered exactly the same reference and got this exactly same screen. Before opening the anti-static envelope, we will have something to do again. So I put again the system on the right direction, and you can see here that you have metal tabs on the right side and on the left side, with two screws on each side, and you will have to remove these tabs. I do it. I unscrew the first one. So now the second screw. Here it is. Yep. But it's not the same size, so keep them in a separate place. So here is the first bracket. So this is the left side. I put it on the left. Now you turn the screen. You do the same for the two remaining screws. Okay, here. And the last one. Here it is. And so you have the right bracket. So now this screen is finished. Take the new one. Remove the anti-static bag. Use it to protect the screen. It will be much more clean. Okay. No. The screen is protected with this plastic piece of this plastic sheet. Remove the rubber and cover the screen. It's very nice. Here you have now to put again the connectors. So the screen will go in this direction. So the right is here. On this side. Screw against the brackets. It fits perfectly. As you can see, it is not very complicated, difficult. Turn on the other side. Take the left bracket, put it in the right position. Take the little screws. And put them again. Okay, one. And the last one. Oops. Okay. Here and there. So now you put the screen on in the right position, which is this one, and you have to rough it again the connector. Take it, you put it here, and you pull on the right side, left side, right side again, left side, and the connector is now perfectly in place. You can gently restick the rubber band and prepare to put the ribbon in place, which can be done like this. And you gently stick the rubber again. Here it is. Your screen is ready now to be put in place. You simply reconnect the webcam. It's not easy. Here it is. And you put your screen again in place, position, which is very simple. Where is it? Okay, here. It is perfect. What you have to do now is to put again the main screws. Start on the top. Oh. Okay. The second top one. And now the bottom. This one. One more. One more. And finally the last one. Okay, it's finished. Your screen is should be repaired. Tighten the screws. Put in place the protection. Which is really easier than removing it. Clip, 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 clip. And that's it. Your screen should be fully repaired. You can flip it, it works, it's nice. So, your PC now should be repaired. You just have to put again the battery in the right position. Here it is. And now the magic. Push on the button and it works. So this is a screen that I bought on laptopscreen.com. So as you have seen, it's pretty easy to repair this kind of Dell PC. It lasts not more than 15-20 minutes. This was done in real time, so it's really easy to do it.